Managing your finances effectively can feel overwhelming, especially when that paycheck hits your account. But what if you had a simple routine to follow every time you get paid? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 essential actions you should take with your paycheck to ensure financial stability and growth. These steps are designed to help you prioritize your spending, save for the future, and even enjoy a little guilt-free splurging. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your existing habits, these strategies will empower you to make the most of your hard-earned money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear paycheck routine that not only simplifies your financial management but also sets you on the path to achieving your financial goals. So, stick around as we unveil the top 5 things you should do every time you get paid. Number 5. Review and adjust budget. The foundation of any solid financial plan, reviewing and adjusting your budget is crucial but often overlooked. This step ranks at number 5 because it ensures that your spending aligns with your current financial situation and goals. By taking the time to assess your budget after each paycheck, you can identify areas where you may be overspending or where you can allocate more funds towards savings or debt repayment. Unlike the higher-ranked items that focus on proactive financial growth, this step is more about reflection and recalibration. It allows you to adapt to changes in income or expenses, ensuring that your financial strategy remains relevant and effective. While it may not be the most exciting task, regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget sets the stage for the more dynamic actions that follow in our list. It's the essential groundwork that keeps your financial house in order, making it a vital part of your paycheck routine. Number 4. Invest in retirement. Securing your future is paramount, and investing in retirement ranks at number 4 for its long-term benefits. This step emphasizes the importance of setting aside a portion of your paycheck into retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA. By doing so, you not only take advantage of compound interest but also benefit from potential employer matches, which can significantly boost your savings. Unlike the foundational step of reviewing your budget, investing in retirement is a proactive move that lays the groundwork for financial independence in your later years. It's about making your money work for you, ensuring that you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle when you retire. While it may require discipline and a long-term perspective, the earlier you start, the more you can accumulate. Compared to the higher-ranked items that focus on immediate financial health, investing in retirement is a strategic play that prioritizes your future, making it an essential part of your paycheck routine. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is a critical step that ranks at number 3 for its role in providing financial security. This fund acts as a safety net, designed to cover unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. By setting aside a portion of your paycheck into a dedicated savings account, you create a buffer that can prevent you from falling into debt during tough times. What sets this step apart is its immediate impact on your financial peace of mind. Knowing you have funds available for emergencies allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Unlike investing in retirement, which focuses on long-term growth, building an emergency fund is about safeguarding your current financial health. It's a proactive measure that empowers you to handle unforeseen challenges without derailing your budget. Compared to the higher-ranked items that promote wealth building, this step prioritizes stability, making it an indispensable part of your paycheck routine. Number 2. Set aside for bills. Allocating funds for your bills is a crucial step that ranks at number 2, as it ensures that your essential expenses are covered before anything else. This practice involves calculating your monthly obligations, like rent, utilities, and insurance, and setting aside the necessary amount from each paycheck. By prioritizing bill payments, you create a stable financial environment that prevents late fees and service interruptions, which can lead to additional stress and financial strain. What distinguishes this step is its immediate necessity. It's about maintaining your day-to-day living standards and avoiding the pitfalls of financial mismanagement. Unlike building an emergency fund, which focuses on future uncertainties, setting aside for bills is about managing your current obligations effectively. This proactive approach allows you to enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your essential needs are met. Compared to the top-ranked item that emphasizes wealth building, this step is foundational, ensuring that your financial house is in order before pursuing growth opportunities, making it an essential part of your paycheck routine. Number 1. Pay yourself first. The principle of paying yourself first ranks at number 1 because it fundamentally transforms your financial mindset and prioritizes your future. This strategy involves setting aside a predetermined percentage of your paycheck for savings or investments before addressing any other expenses. By treating your savings as a non-negotiable bill, You ensure that you are consistently building wealth and securing your financial future. What sets this step apart is its proactive nature. It empowers you to take control of your finances rather than reacting to them. Unlike simply setting aside for bills, which focuses on immediate obligations, paying yourself first emphasizes long-term growth and financial independence. This approach fosters a habit of saving that can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Compared to the other steps in our list, this foundational practice lays the groundwork for all subsequent financial actions, making it the cornerstone of a successful paycheck routine. By prioritizing your financial well-being, you create a pathway to achieving your dreams and aspirations. In today's video, we explored the top 5 essential actions to take every time you get paid, creating a powerful paycheck routine that can transform your financial life. We began with number 5, reviewing and adjusting your budget to ensure your spending aligns with your goals. Next, at number 4, we emphasize the importance of investing in retirement for long-term financial security. Number 3 highlighted the necessity of building an emergency fund to safeguard against unexpected expenses. Following that, number 2 focused on setting aside funds for bills, ensuring your essential obligations are met. Finally, we crown number 1 as the most crucial step, paying yourself first, a practice that prioritizes your financial future and fosters wealth accumulation. Each of these steps plays a vital role in achieving financial stability and growth. We encourage you to dive deeper into these strategies and implement them in your own paycheck routine. Remember, taking control of your finances today can lead to a brighter, more secure tomorrow. Start your journey now and watch your financial confidence soar.